It was a sweltering summer evening in Kingston, Jamaica, and the air was alive with the sweet scent of blooming jasmine and the sound of laughter. In a small, vibrant neighborhood nestled between the hills of the Blue Mountains, 18-year-old Hillary stood on the church pulpit, her eyes sparkle, and her voice soaring. With the beat of a drum played by a church brother, with the tambourine in hand, Hillary began to sing. Her voice, like a gentle breeze on a summer day, carried the sweet melodies of traditional Jamaican church folk songs, blended with modern rhythms that spoke to the hearts of all who listened. As she sang, people from all walks of life gathered around the churchyard. The vendors selling jerk chicken and fried dumplings outside stopped their hustle to tap their feet and sway to the music. Children laughed and danced in the streets, their faces aglow with joy. Even the elderly residents of the neighborhood, who had been quiet for years, emerged from their homes to join in the celebration. Hillary's voice was like nothing anyone had ever heard before. It was as if the essence of Jamaica itself had taken possession of her, infusing her with the waves of the island's rich musical heritage. Her tambourine sang along with her, adding a rhythmic beat that made everyone want to move their bodies. As the night wore on, the crowd grew larger and more diverse. People from the nearby shanty towns, who had never heard Hillary sing before, were mesmerized by her talent. They moved with joy, remembering the struggles of their past and feeling a sense of hope for a brighter future. Even the local artists and musicians, who had heard it all before, were taken aback by Hillary's raw talent. They whispered to each other, "Who is this girl? How does she have such a gift?" Word spread quickly through the streets, and soon people from all over Kingston were making their way to Hillary's impromptu concert. The police even stopped by to listen, tapping their feet to the beat and nodding their heads in appreciation. As the night drew to a close, Hillary took a final bow, her face flushed with happiness. The crowd roared with applause, whistling and cheering for more. From that moment on, she was known as the Tambourine Queen of Kingston, and her music brought people together in a way that nothing else could. Hillary's voice continued to soar, spreading joy and hope throughout Jamaica. And wherever she went, her tambourine sang along with her, reminding everyone that music has the power to bring people together and make even the most quiet of days shine bright.